जो वुमेन्स घर पे रहती हैं वो काम करना चाहती हैं
हम्म।
और वो कुछ आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पा रहे हैं कि क्या किया जाए, कैसे निकले घर के बाहर, उनके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सबसे पहली बात तो बीइंग अ होम मेकर इज वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट थिंग टू डू।
हम्म।
मतलब अगर मुझसे बोल दिया जाए कि आई लुक एट माई मदर इन लॉ एंड आई सी हाउ हार्ड शी वर्क्स, आई थिंक शी वर्क्स 10 times मोर देन मी, 100 times बेसिकली। बट वो एक बहुत अंडररेटेड टास्क माना जाता है। एंड देन नाउ डेज देर आर women who have sacrificed a lot, जो बहुत कुछ करती थी and then they decided कि no, we want to focus on our kids, we want to focus on the family, and they left their job and now they want to make a comeback. So I think the core is to first of all find out what is that one skill that you are very good at and try converting that skill into work. Firstly, nowadays nobody wants to hire someone जिसके पास बहुत career gap है या फिर कोई experience नहीं है. So upskill yourself. For example, finance sector में थे और आपने फिर शादी कर ली and then you got kids, आप नहीं काम कर पाए. उस finance sector का gap bridge करने के लिए जो आपका 6-7 साल का gap है, आप अपने आप को upskill करो पहले, courses करो, so that जब आप jobs के लिए apply करो, you are able to tell them that इस time period में जो भी मैंने miss किया, I did through these courses. And then you can start working because now there's such great opportunities of working from home. To women who are not able to work, I think the only thing I would say is find your area of work where you want to make your career in, upskill yourself in that area, and then simple, find a job because I think that's pretty doable.
कुछ वुमेन्स जो काम करना चाहती हैं पर फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं करती हैं, वो फैमिली और डिसीजन के बीच में कहीं ना कहीं फंस जाती हैं, तो क्या कैसे अपनी लाइफ को आगे ग्रो करें?
See, honestly speaking, मैं you would see me saying this, hear me saying this in a lot of other events and where I've been very blessed. मैं नहीं imagine कर पाती वो scenario जहाँ मेरे in-laws support नहीं करते या मेरा husband support नहीं करता. So I can't really comment on someone else's life कि वो कैसे उस चीज़ को deal करे. But I can just give a very generic opinion कि if there is something in your life जो आपका mental peace खराब कर रहा है, जो आपको हर रोज सुबह उठ के रियलाइज कराता है मैं इतना कुछ कर सकती हूँ बट दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ पीपल हु आर स्टॉपिंग मी फ्रॉम डूइंग इट, ट्राई टू टेक एन एक्शन. लाइक आई थिंक यू शुड स्पीक टू योर फैमिली. कई विमेन मुझे लगता है कम्युनिकेट ही नहीं कर पाती हैं अपने हस्बैंड से या अपने इन लॉज से या अपने पेरेंट्स से दैट दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू. एंड देन कम्स अ पॉइंट इन देयर लाइफ व्हेन दे फील अब तो वो टाइम निकल गया. सो ऑब्वियसली हर किसी की फैमिली सिचुएशन बहुत अलग होती है एंड वी आर नो वन टू मेक अ जेनरिक कमेंट, बट आई थिंक इफ यू फील यू शुड टॉक टू देम एंड टेल देम दैट दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू परस्यू इन लाइफ. एंड आई एम श्योर इफ यू हैव अ सपोर्टिव बैकग्राउंड देन दे विल ट्राई हेल्प यू अचीव इट.
आपका एसोसिएशन लक्ष्य सेन के साथ भी रहा, तो कैसा उनके साथ आपका वर्क एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
Lakshay is one of the most important person I have in my life right now. I value him and the whole Sane family a lot. Like those people genuinely mean a lot to me. 4 years ago, I met Lakshay, and one thing that I realized instantly after I met him was that he was an exceptional person, an exceptional human being. And you know, he happens to be India's #1 badminton player. So when you reach at that level, there is so much beyond the game: interview interactions, media interactions, PR, and you have to appear or bring yourself beyond the game for the people, for the audience, for people who love you. So I work in that space with him, and it's been a very long association now. With Lakshay, the thing is that he is very, very open to learning. He has that mindset of an athlete. He understands the importance of my work. Even when I'm miles away, my inputs are valued. Whatever I tell him, whatever contribution I make, he value that. And that speaks a lot about the person that he is. I mean, he's an exceptional player. He has achieved so much at the age of 24. I mean, he's just 24. Can you imagine? He's an Olympian. And for people like him, it's very easy to be snobbish, to act like they're the best, but not at all. The whole family is like, even if you spend 2 minutes with them, it's like you're in some sort of masterclass and you will just leave speechless because you learn so much from him. So my association with him now is in managerial capacity and in that space like media, interview and all that. As of now, I feel that working with him is truly an honor because the kind of opportunities he gives me, even when I'm from a small town, is something that I would have never imagined.
आपका इंटरेक्शन कैसे हुआ? पहली बार कहाँ मिले थे?
So हम पहली बार बरेली में ही मिले थे. Lakshya's father, Sen sir, and Lakshya had come to. They're from Almora basically. So from Almora they were going back to Bangalore, and their flight was from Bareilly. That's when I met him at the airport, and we were discussing as to how we can all work together. And the best part was that they got to know about my work through my page, which again made me feel, see, anything is possible. That's the power of the kind of content you make. So that's when I met him for the first time. Simple boy who just knows one thing, how to play his game too well. And crazy values. मतलब आप बात करोगे लक्ष्य से, उसके भाई से, चिराग से, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि भाई ये सही में इन्होंने इतना कुछ अचीव कर लिया लाइफ में, because they're extremely grounded, and that comes from their parents. And I met sir also, and I instantly remember not saying anything. I just told sir, which Lakshya's father, that sir, I will work, and let's do it. Whatever work will come my way, and I shall do it, because I'm in complete awe of the kind of people that you are. मैं बहुत डरते डरते एयरपोर्ट गई थी, पता नहीं कैसे होंगे, कितना एटीट्यूड होगा कुछ, but zero. And now they are my family. Like, I have immense value for them. They value my work a lot. So yeah.